Hello dear students, are you ready to create your own computer game? Yes, it's possible. We have a software called Scratch to create the animations, games, etc. How to open the Scratch software? Click on Applications, Education, Scratch. Applications, Education, Scratch. It is the Scratch window. Okay, here there are many scripts are there. It is the area to create the game. Here there is a sprite and a stage. Scratch is the name of the software. Then there is a sprite. Sprite is the character. The characters on the background. Stage is the background. It's the white color background. We can change the stage. Stage is the background of the game and sprite is the character. We can change all these. First, we can change the sprite. For that, just click here. Right click, delete. First delete the sprite, then we can give new sprite. Here are options: paint new sprite, we can draw new sprite, choose new sprite from file, we can add any image of sprite from the computer, then we can get extra sprites. Now just select this tool, choose new sprite from file. These are our files. We can select it from our home, school resources, standard 8, games or images. Yes, is a image of car. Select, double click or select and click on OK. Now the sprite is ready. Then we want to change the stage. For that you must click here on this stage. Stage. Just click here and click this tab. Here it is scripts. Then change it as backgrounds. It's a background. Now edit this background. Click on edit. You can import. Here we can draw the background. Now we are importing an image. Just click on import. Select the picture from your computer. School resources, standard 8, images. It's the track. Okay. Now the sprite and stage is ready. It's the background, that is stage, and the car is the sprite. Okay. Now the next activity is to give the animation or to move the car. Okay. For that we have to give the scripts. Before that, must change the option here. You have to give the scripts or codes to the sprite. Okay. For that, click on sprite and click here scripts. Now we are going to give the movements. There are many options are there. First, motion. Here in this tool, in this area, there are many scripts, codes are there to move the sprite. To move the sprite in different ways. Then there is control. To control the movements of sprites. It is to control the movements of sprite. looks. Then to change the interactions, that's the size, to hide or show, to increase or decrease the size, and to hide or show the sprite, like that. Then sensing. When clicking on sensing, it's to control the movement of sprite according to the instructions given in the keyboard. According to the instructions in the keyboard, you can change the movement of sprite. Then sound, to control the audio of the sprites in the game. Then operators, mathematical problems, if there is mathematical problems you can use these. And pen, to draw the figures on the scratch screen. On the scratch we can give anything, we can draw anything. Then variables, some variables, extra variables we want to include in our project, we can use these. All these we are not using. Now let us have to create a movement to the sprite. For that we can give the codes. Okay, wait.